Hey YouTubers, it's Hawaii Girl of Hawaii Girl Adventures. We drove from Las Vegas, Nevada to Boston, Massachusetts to spend the holidays with family.
Welcome to Arizona.
Our total round-trip drive took 14 days, crossed 3 time zones, and crossed 14 state lines.
Welcome to Texas.
We stayed in 12 hotels and had 23 gas fill-ups.
Welcome to Arkansas. Welcome to Tennessee.
Our total round-trip mileage was 5,800 miles.
Welcome to New Jersey. Welcome to New York.
While visiting, we flew my drone over a beautiful covered bridge in New Hampshire. And on our drive back, we stopped at several places. We stopped at the National 9/11 Memorial and Museum in Manhattan, New York. In Nashville, Tennessee, to fly my drone. And in Arizona to spend the day at the Petrified Forest National Park. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch full videos of our stops. Mahalo for watching. Aloha!
So this is the overlook for the Blue Mesa Trail. Here's some petrified wood right here. But the whole trail is paved. It's about a mile long. You can see some people on the trail enjoying the walk. And that's the trailhead up there.